This is Mr. Mellor. We are done designing our first bridge. So this is a beam bridge. We can see that we have supports at the end, beams, and no other supports throughout. So this is our most basic type of bridge. We're going to go ahead and 3D print it and test it. And so now that you're at this point in Tinkercad, what you're going to go ahead and do is press export. Then it's giving you a number of options for how you want the file to be exported. In our case, we want STL. So go ahead and click on STL. This would be the file that you would attach to your homework assignment. So you can see that it says beam bridge, no supports. That's what I titled this file. After you have given me the file in Microsoft Teams, I will print them. So the way that that's going to work, again, you don't need to know this particular part other than the fact that I need the file in the right format, that STL file, but this is what happens on my side of things. So I'm going to go ahead and load it. Rotate your bridge so it's easier to print. This looks an awful lot like a table. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and press slice. That's just preparing the model. And now we have our file. And we have to load it into the 3D printer, and that's it. So 4 hours, 52 minutes, 4 hours, 42 minutes. That's pretty typical for a 3D print. It takes a long time. All right, let's go ahead and find out what happens when we 3D print it.